People lining up. Go to the front door of the Smithsonian Museum National History, okay, in Washington, D.C.
Are you sure it's open?
Beautiful.
You want your umbrella?
Good morning. Today, I don't remember, but May 28th, we go to the Smithsonian Museum National Natural History in Washington, D.C. Join with us. Join with us, okay?
Turkey vultures, they wake up in the morning after they roost.
That is the bald eagles
Before they take
in
off.
Smithsonian
And come and roost again in the
History
same tree.
Museum.
Yeah, I learned a lot about turkey vultures.
Very big birds, big eagles.
Why? Because they get a dead kill and they put their head in there without getting all messed up.
You know what this is?
Osprey. You know they have better eyesight than the eagle.
Really?
Osprey.
What are you pointing to, Diane?
Osprey.
Osprey.
Oh, really?
They're all
They have them
On the bird.
Yeah, you have one Grand Teton on the actual bar.
Yeah, information.
And they'll come here. A pigeon, parakeet. She's taking a
Ow. Của mèo.
Oh, look at that. Is it snow? Is that a snow chip?
Oh, that's a beautiful
I think
one.
that's a snow owl. He changes colors.
Wow, cannot see much.
The chuck
There's a
will.
screech owl.
Oh, yeah.
So it's a barn. There's a barn owl
Where? This.
over there.
Yeah, barn owl. Oh, sorry.
Snowy owl.
Snowy owl.
You never seen one of them?
Oh, look at the pheasant.
I never did.
That's a beautiful.
Ron used to go hunting for those.
Wow.
That's a
Oh, that's a big one.
grouse. Ron, here's the grouse. They dance on the air, and Jackson on the air, on the.
They got the hands.
Yeah, she dances.
Oh,
And
grouse.
remember the dancing grouse? Ruffled grouse?
That's where Robin went to school. That's where I used to go.
Oh, yeah.
Wild turkey.
Neck pheasants. We used to go.
Ron, where's Yogi?
Turtle. Snake. Ah, looks scary. Leatherback turtle.
Still there? Getting.
feels so much better, dude.
We used to sit up